Welcome to the mobile marketplace powered by Cellbie. The device mobile marketplace connects buyers with sellers in a real-time online platform. Cellbie provides a secure cloud-based platform with technical services like device recognition, content transfer, device diagnostics, and wipe, lock, and theft checks. This allows businesses to cost-effectively ensure that devices can be purchased and sold safely and confidently. To begin as a buyer in the mobile marketplace, you must first log into your buyer account on your personal domain. Log in with your credentials and click Sign In. The Overview tab shows a list of all devices you have purchased but have not yet received. It provides details about the device such as the IMEI of the phone, the make and model, the memory size, the cost of the device, when it was purchased, as well as who sold the device. It also shows the shipping status, including tracking number when it's available. Additional details on each device can be obtained by clicking on the IMEI of the device or downloading the CSV file. You will then be able to see all info about the device, including the tests that were run, the grading, and more. After you inspect the devices that have arrived at your store, you can receive the devices in the system by clicking the box next to the phone and clicking Receive Selected Devices. Note, this method of receiving should only be used for devices you do not have any issues with. Devices that have grading disagreement need to be received through the receiver account, which is shown in the later tutorial. This will allow you to provide quality feedback to Cellbie as well as the seller. Feedback affects the seller's grading similar to a star rating system seen in apps like Uber. Cellbie has a no discrepancy policy regarding cosmetic grading or issues that the software does not test for. However, exceptions are made if the device has water damage or has a severe issue like a broken screen. The total quantity of devices you are expecting as well as the total cost is shown at the bottom of the Overview tab. You can pull a CSV file for reporting purposes as well. You can click the bar graph icon in the top left corner to view the top devices breakdown over a given time period. The Tracking tab provides you with the ability to see devices that have been shipped and allows you to track the packages as they make their way to your store or warehouse. You can see the tracking number, where the devices are coming from, the date they were shipped, time it has been in transit, and if the package has been received yet. To view the shipping contents, click the magnifying glass under Details to view what devices are being shipped under that tracking number. To set your pricing, click the Your Prices tab. To add pricing for a new model, click the New button at the top of the screen. Select the manufacturer and model for the device you wish to price. Then click Go. You can now price the device depending on the quality you are looking for. On top of the diagnostic testing Cellbie implements, the seller must also grade the cosmetic quality of the device. You can price for like new, very good, good, acceptable, and unacceptable. You can also price for the memory step premium, which is the incremental amount you would pay for each gigabyte increase. For example, a memory step premium of $20 would mean that you are willing to pay $20 more for a 32GB device compared to a 16GB device. Pricing a 16GB device at $100 would then price the 32GB device at $120, a 64GB at $140, and so on. Cellbie also displays the current top market pricing next to your pricing, allowing you to see where your pricing currently stands. To win devices, your pricing must beat the current market pricing. For iPhones, you're able to differentiate the price for different carrier models like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Sprint versus the generic model. This is indicated by having the carrier name beside the model name. A model name by itself is any device that falls outside of the carriers, which includes a lot of Tier 2 carriers. LG and Samsung devices are differentiated by model number. For instance, the Samsung S7 is SMG930V, with the V indicating it is a Verizon device. An easy way to stay competitive and keep the top price in Cellbie is by hitting the Beat Market Price button. This will increase your price to a couple dollars above the current top market pricing. When setting your pricing, keep in mind that Cellbie has a no discrepancy policy on devices, with the only exceptions being water damage or severe scratches and broken screens. When you are finished pricing this device, click Save Changes. You have now priced your first device. At any time, you can click the Edit icon to adjust your pricing. You can also delete your pricing by clicking the trash can icon on the right. When you're no longer interested in pricing a particular device, please delete that device from your pricing list to maintain optimal system performance. You have the ability to pull your pricing as a CSV file by clicking the CSV icon. You can then edit your pricing in the CSV file and re-upload that file to your domain using the Import Pricing tab. This will bulk upload your pricing. The Reporting tab provides Cellbie reporting for all activities done through Cellbie. You can narrow down your reporting to any time period. You can also look up devices that have been processed, sold, shipped, or received. At any time, you can access the buyer guide by selecting the Help option from the top right corner. Here you will have access to user guides, FAQs, and more.